Today I'll be showing you how to change your email address on Instagram. And now let's dive right in. Now to change your email on your Instagram app. Now to change your email on your Instagram account, first open up your Instagram app on your phone. Like this. And after that, in order to change your email address, you can see a profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see over here the profile icon. Tap over there and you'll be over here on the settings of your profile, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can again see the three line icon. Tap over there and tap on settings, and over here guys you can see the account section available over here just above the help or just below the ads. Tap on that account section like this, and over here guys you can see the personal information available over here. First tap on that personal information, and over here guys you can see your email address available over here. Tap on that email address like this, and guys in order to change it you will be required to change it like this. And after that, after you have changed your email address, tap on the tick mark on the top right corner of the screen, and then after you have tapped it, a verification mail will be sent to you on this Gmail which you have just entered over here. And after you verify that link or click on that link, your account will be verified that you have changed your email address on the Instagram. And guys, this is how you change your email address on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.